Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, if the ratio of the perimeter of two similar triangles is 4:25, then find the ratio of the areas of given triangles. Given that ratio of the perimeter of two similar triangles is 4:25. Let ABC and DEF be two similar triangles. Okay. Now, to find the areas of the similar triangles, we need to use first, by using these perimeters, proportional perimeter theorem. By proportional perimeter theorem, if two triangles are similar, then perimeter are proportional to the measures of the corresponding sides. So, here perimeter of triangle ABC to the perimeter of triangle DEF is same as ratio of corresponding sides, that is BC as to EF. So here we have given ratio of the perimeters of triangle is 4:25. Now we have to find the ratio of the areas of the similar triangles. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is same as square of their corresponding sides. So it is BC square divided by EF square. So 4 square by 25 square. So it will be 16 by 625. Hence, ratio of the areas of similar triangle is, hence, the ratio of areas of the similar triangle is 16:625. From available options, we have option A as 16:625.